The group stage is history, the knockout rounds are officially underway, and the 2026 World Cup has absolutely exploded into pure chaos. We are down to the business end of the tournament, and if you thought the group stage was wild, the round of 32 just proved that absolutely nobody is safe. All roads lead to New Jersey on July 19th, but getting there, it's becoming a total battlefield. Let's talk about the massive shocks first. Germany, out. They fell to a gritty Paraguay side in a dramatic penalty shootout. The Netherlands, also packing their bags after losing on spot kicks to a resilient Morocco. Meanwhile, the heavyweights who survived did it in style. France looked absolutely terrifying, brushing Sweden aside 3-0. In South America, Brazil took care of business against Japan with a 2-1 win, and over in Atlanta, Harry Kane rescued England with a dramatic late winner to edge past DR Congo 2-1. With the round of 32 wrapping up, the round of 16 lineup is absolutely mouth-watering. First up, we've got an ultimate underdog clash as Canada takes on Morocco, while giant killers Paraguay face the French machine. But check out these two absolute blockbusters. The host nation Mexico is set to clash with England in front of a roaring, hostile crowd in Mexico City. Can England survive that atmosphere? And if that's not enough, we have a massive Iberian derby on the cards. Cristiano Ronaldo's Portugal squaring off against Spain after Portugal just knocked out Croatia 2-1. Team USA is also flying high after a comfortable 2-0 win over Bosnia, setting up a massive test against Belgium next. Looking ahead at the bracket, one side of the draw is loaded with Brazil, England, Mexico, and potentially Argentina. The other side has France, Spain, Portugal, and the US. The paths are set, the stakes are legendary, and a single mistake now sends you home. So, who is your money on to actually go all the way and lift the trophy on July 19th? Can England silence Mexico City, or is France destined for glory? Drop your predictions in the comments below, smash that like button, and subscribe for non-stop World Cup coverage. See you at the next kickoff.